Okay, so we now have a database that is running on a server somewhere. So let's go into our dashboard settings to find out where. We say reveal config vars will give us the configuration variables for the system, and we can see the database URL contains the URL for the database. So I'm going to head ahead and copy the value for that, and then I'm going to head back to my terminal. I'm going to say sudo pip3 install dj dash database URL. And this installs just a Django database URL, which just allows us to parse database URLs. So I'm just going to do pip3 freeze dash dash local, redirect that into requirements.txt. So we have that inside of our requirements file. And let's just double check. I'm going to reload. And there it is. Okay, so if I go back to my bash terminal now, what I want to do is I want to do Heroku config, and we can see here our URL is now as well. We can see that it's also here, so we don't have to use the dashboard to view our URLs or our configuration variables. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my settings.py file, and inside of there I'm going to look for my databases configuration, and I'm going to comment out the existing databases dictionary. And I'm going to say database is equal to, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up another dictionary with a key of default, and then the value will be dj underscore database underscore URL dot parse, and then I'm going to pass in the string, and the DJ parse will create a brand new database connection for us using that information. And then at the top of the file, we'll just import dj underscore database underscore URL. And this will connect our application to the to our remote database. So if I go ahead and do Python 3 manage.py, I forgot my P, and say migrate, our migration should now be applied. And there we go. We have successfully connected to a Postgres database hosted on Heroku through Django.